Shiba Inu says we will soon dominate again. Yeah, Shiba Inu, they dominated so many times. That was about a few years ago, let me say about 2 years now, that Shiba Inu really dominated. Shiba Inu was everywhere. In fact, so many people joined crypto industry because of this particular coin, Shiba Inu. Some people today that you see that investing in crypto industry, a lot of people didn't have interest, but I don't know, like I met some of them who told me it was because of Shiba Inu that they started buying cryptocurrency. Now, this coin, wow, they are about to start again. They have so many plans. They are trying to they have so many updates, both Shiba Inu network update, both Shiba Inu plan burning projects, so many things that Shiba Inu are preparing. Now, I love the fact that even the founders, the developers of this coin, they are really planning so big for the coin. Okay, just like when they started, they have a good plan. Yes, Shiba Inu, when it was launched, for me, the owners of this coin, the founders of this coin, they are one of the best in terms of crypto industry who can really manage a coin, because yes, they break the internet when Shiba Inu actually started. Right now, they are planning on a mega burning. Not just that one, they have so many plans, though they are yet to release this to the social media or to the public what they are really planning, but they are still saying that, look, this coin is definitely going to come out and dominate again. This coin is going to rise. That they are working. All they need is when they are ready to come out to do one or two things, Shiba Inu holders community should support these projects. Of course, we are ready to support the project, because I want to see my Shiba Inu coin hit 1 cent, $1, 10 cents. Wow, very well waiting for. So I believe the Shiba Inu community, they are a great community. They're one of the best community, and always ready to support whatever things plan that will help this coin to rise. So for me, yes, the developers are doing their best, but I still believe, though this year and for last year wasn't good for Shiba Inu. Not just Shiba Inu, but all the crypto coins in general, except the ones that were launched and they did well that last year. But this year, definitely something good happened. Well, not to the what we expected, that what we expected this year for crypto industry, both the price of Bitcoin, both the price of Ethereum, both the price of BNB, both the price of Shiba Inu, we didn't meet up with that expectation. But the truth still remains that this year is more better. This year is more better than last year, 2022. But I still feel that yes, crypto industry is getting more better every day by day, which simply means that 2024 for me is going to be more better than 2023. Just like 2023 is more better than 2022. And I also believe in 2025 is definitely going to be more better than 2024. Gradually, crypto industry will still hit over $5 trillion market cap in the nearest future, and I see the market cap of Shiba Inu hitting over $50 billion market cap in the very few time, very soon. Yes, Shiba Inu market cap hitting over $50 billion market cap, and with the burning rate increasing so massively. So let's hope and see how it goes. But please kindly remember, this is not a financial advice. So once again, thank you for stopping by. Now remember, like I said, we will keep on updating different kind of videos on how to make money. This is the reason why. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. And please, if you like this video, if you believe in Shiba Inu, please kindly drop your comment in the comment section below. Type in "I love Shiba Inu." Shiba Inu definitely going to rise in the nearest future. Once again, thank you for stopping by.